For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a home healthcare business is both a noble and potentially lucrative venture. As the population ages and chronic conditions increase, the demand for in-home care services continues to rise. Using artificial intelligence, AI, especially free tools, can help simplify and accelerate the process. From researching the market to managing your marketing and operations, AI can make your startup journey more strategic and efficient. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start a home healthcare business using free AI resources. Step 1. Research the industry and regulations. Before anything else, understand the legal and operational landscape of home healthcare in your area. Regulations vary widely depending on state and federal laws. Use ChatGPT to speed up the research. Ask it to summarize requirements for licensing, insurance, and certifications. Prompt: what are the licensing and regulatory requirements to start a home healthcare agency in your state? You can also use Perplexity.ai or U.com, free AI-powered search engines, to find accurate, up-to-date information across multiple government and legal websites. Prompt: latest compliance laws for home healthcare businesses in state 2025. Step 2. Identify your services and business model. Decide whether you want to offer non-medical care, e.g., bathing, grooming, companionship, or skilled medical care, e.g., nursing, physical therapy. AI tools can help define your service scope and pricing by analyzing competitors. Use ChatGPT to generate a services list and pricing strategy. Prompt: create a list of home healthcare services with pricing based on industry averages for city/state. Use Google Trends to explore what services people are searching for most in your area, helping tailor your offerings. Step 3. Create a business plan. A business plan provides direction and is essential for funding or partnerships. With ChatGPT, you can create a comprehensive plan covering executive summary, market analysis, operations, staffing, marketing, and financials. Prompt: write a business plan for a home healthcare business in location, focusing on non-medical in-home services. You can adjust the prompt depending on your model: medical, hospice, specialized elder care, etc. If you need visuals like financial projections, use Google Sheets with Gemini, Google's AI assistant, to auto-generate financial tables based on your inputs. Step 4. Choose a business name and register it. You need a unique, memorable name that reflects your mission. Namelix or Loca's business name generator, free AI-based tools, can help brainstorm names. Prompt for ChatGPT: suggest 10 unique and meaningful business names for a compassionate home healthcare agency. Once chosen, check domain availability using GoDaddy's free search tool. Register the name with your local government and apply for an EIN, Employer Identification Number, through the IRS website. Step 5. Develop your branding and online presence. Your brand should inspire trust and compassion. Use Canva's free AI logo generator, or Loca, to generate logos and brand colors. Build a website using Wix or WordPress with free templates and integrate SEO with tools like Surfer AI free Chrome extension to optimize your site for Google. Prompt: create a homepage outline and About Us content for a home healthcare business serving city/state. Use ChatGPT to write copy for service pages, FAQs, and blogs. Step 6. Take care of licensing, insurance, and certification. Apply for state licensing, especially if offering medical services. Get liability and workers' compensation insurance. Use ChatGPT to help track and list all required permits and insurances. Prompt: list the licenses and insurances required to operate a non-medical home healthcare business in your state and explain how to get them. You can even ask for a checklist format to stay organized. Step 7. Recruit and manage your team. Quality staff is the backbone of your business. Write job descriptions using ChatGPT or Jasper AI, limited free access. Manage hiring via Indeed or ZipRecruiter, both of which have basic free plans. Prompt: write a job description for a part-time, certified home health aide working with elderly clients in city. Use Trello or Notion AI to manage schedules, employee onboarding, and patient assignments for free. Step 8. Set up billing and documentation systems. Compliance with healthcare documentation standards is key. Use ChatGPT to generate patient intake forms, care plans, and logs. Prompt: create a template for a home care patient intake form, including emergency contact, medication list, allergies, and care needs. Use Google Forms for digital paperwork and Zoho Invoice, free version, to handle client billing and track payments. Step 9. Launch a marketing campaign. Start with low-cost digital marketing. Use ChatGPT to develop a full marketing plan. Prompt: create a marketing plan for a home healthcare business targeting families and elderly clients in city/state. Develop content such as blog posts, social media calendars, and email campaigns using Buffer or MailChimp, free tiers available. Use Canva's free social media post templates to design posts. Prompt: write 5 social media captions for promoting home healthcare services with a caring, professional tone. Use Google Business Profile to appear in local search and gather reviews. Step 10. Monitor, improve, and scale. After launching, measure performance. Use Google Analytics to track web traffic and Google Forms for client satisfaction surveys. Ask ChatGPT for analysis help. Prompt: based on this data, paste Google Analytics report. What improvements should I make to increase website engagement for my home healthcare business? You can use ChatGPT to regularly generate ideas for service improvements or expansion. Prompt: suggest ways to expand a home healthcare business to increase revenue without sacrificing service quality. Conclusion: starting a home healthcare business has never been more accessible, thanks to the power of free AI tools. From writing your business plan to hiring staff and marketing your services, AI can help reduce costs, save time, and increase your confidence as a new business owner. The key is to be proactive and keep asking the right questions. Whether you're brainstorming names, managing staff, or strategizing your next move, AI is your smart business partner every step of the way. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.